Good morning, we are Team 8, and for this autonomous vehicles class, our company is called Kangatoz. Now, our team consists of Alex from Taiwan, Gonzalo from Peru, Vadim from Russia, Berlin from India, and myself, Mia, from the Philippines.
So, since you're not really satisfied with the current bus services that you are having,
Yes.
what about a autonomous bus? Would you consider that as another? What about
Where is my bus?
and the weather is really bad right now. So, what about if the bus will come by itself with no driver, just like a robot driving you to the destination you need to go, and you can also track your bus whenever you are inside the building. You can track with your app. Would you consider that as another option for you?
Yes, I would. Like the tracking sounds amazing.
Okay, so these are the problems that we're facing with the current public transportation. First is the ETA, which is called the estimated time of arrival. Because currently we cannot use any app or any other ways to track our buses. So if the bus comes late or early, there is no way. The only way we can do is to wait at the bus station. Second, the traffic. Why the traffic is an issue? Because San Francisco is not really a huge city, so there are limited places for every bus or car to go for the highway. So in the traffic hours, if we just want to go for a mile, it would be a huge issue, especially for buses. They have to go slower than others. Third, the accidents. Just by last year, there are over 490,000 car crashes in a year. And in those 490,000, there are over 380 people who died in the accidents. And there were over 278,000 people injured. So we consider that as a huge issue as well.
Welcome to the world premiere of Kangatoz buses. Our 5 benefits for autonomous buses are that these services will depot for increased efficiency. They are equipped with LiDAR sensors for self-automation, where these sensors can constantly monitor their surroundings for increased safety. They have the same position to ensure easy boarding and alighting for higher accuracy with the help of NVIDIA software, which will also equip the brake and acceleration for a comfortable journey for our passengers. So, what are the value propositions for these automation services? How exactly will Kangatoz achieve this?
The convenience and efficiency are 2 major elements of our value proposition. So Kangatoz focus on providing their users a personalized trip from point A to point B. So these trips are convenient, more cost efficient than compared to any traditional buses. And our vision is to make the world a greener place. So that's why our buses will be electric powered.
So who are our potential customers? We've identified the following. First, from the private section, companies that will require AV service to transport their employees, especially when they are on a far distance, as well as local governments from the public sector, as they are focused on dealing with the public transportation issues. For both cases, the main customer segments are individuals who are concerned with both cost efficiency as well as having a more accurate travel ETA. So regarding our key activities, we've identified the following. First, marketing and advertising by promoting our main features as well as highlighting our advantage to any potential customer. Then, in order to ensure that our assets are always up to date, we'll always emphasize on both the physical and software maintenance, and as well as invest on R&D development to ensure that we have the latest features available every time. So finally, in terms of revenue, we have the 3 modes of revenue streams. First, by developing contracts with both public and private entities, then introducing the premium bus feature, as travelers have the option to have a customized bus according to their travel needs, and finally by advertising our affiliated company's services.
So, how will Kangatoz autonomous buses will disrupt the public transportation of San Francisco? This is our vision. So, Once the Kangatoz autonomous buses are deployed in San Francisco and we get the customers like Google or Levi's Plaza, we will be tailoring the needs of our users by personalizing the interiors of the buses. Second, we would be the topmost choice for every user because of the higher capacity of the buses. We also will provide certain amount of personalized trips, like for example, if you want to go to LA, we are the first choice for you, with your family of course. One trip is not allowed. The third would be the government attraction, because in our second horizon, we are planning to be the first local choice for San Francisco government for the provider of public transport, where Kangatoz buses would be a choice for each and every San Francisco citizen. And finally, we will make sure that we buy to the traffic congestion, because today a traditional bus causes $16.3 million congestion to the San Francisco government.